Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to show you how to set the icon name in Oracle Linux 8 operating system. So let me open the terminal now. Login as a root user. So only root user can change the icon name. So type hostnamectl command. So hostnamectl command displays some icon names. See, you can see some icon name is there. It's showing as computer-vm. Okay. So there are some predefined values for icon name. So you should use those names only. Okay, search the internet how to set icon name in Linux computer. So there are some predefined values. Okay, so I am setting the icon as computer-desktop using the command hostnamectl set-icon name space icon name. Okay, so you can see that icon name is got changed to computer desktop. From computer VM I am changed to computer desktop. So once again I am putting back. So once again I have put back the icon name. So you can't clear the icon name, it will be reset to previous value. Make use of this command.